Welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the foie and Serrano ham paella. The ingredients for the Serrano ham are paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, foie, mushroom, Serrano ham, the ham stock. Let's start making this foie and Serrano ham paella. So, we've added a bit of olive oil and now we're gonna cook our foie. Let's turn over that foie. Ooh, nice. iwantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. Okay, I've taken out half of the fat that we had and I'm gonna add the Serrano ham now. Okay, Serrano ham is already cured, so we're just gonna cook it for a bit just to give it a bit of color. I know it looks like a lot now, but it's mostly, the mushroom is mostly water, so it will dissolve into the paella. Alright, just gonna leave it cooking for a bit at low stove. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. While that cooks, let's add the pure saffron. It's just a bit, or it's very good. And half an envelope of paella mix that I have left from the previous one. So I'm just gonna add it all. Okay. And once again, mix it all up. Let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. All right. Let's mix it all up. Okay, that looks fantastic, guys. This is gonna be a delicious paella. So, it's a good time to add our paella rice, 300 grams, because we're making 3 portions. Let's add 900 milliliters of ham stock. Something like that, a bit more, something like that. We always leave a bit, just in case we need to add more. Let's bring our paella burner to the maximum level. In the meantime, we're gonna add some salt. It's a bit, not too much, because the ham already has salt in it. So though not too much for this recipe. Okay, the rice seems to have come to a nice boil, so we're gonna bring it down to 50%. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. Here, for instance. Okay, that rice is around 40%. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay, that rice is around 60%, so it has plenty of time and plenty of stock to finish cooking. Let's give it another shake. At this point, we're going to reduce our paella batter down to 30%. Something like that. Okay. And we're going to take this opportunity to add the foie that we cooked previously, and now we're going to bring back to the mix. It has a bit of the oil as well. We're going to add it for extra flavor. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here, for instance. Okay guys, that's around 80%. We're gonna leave the rice 2-3 minutes. Don't forget that the paella batter is at 30% at the moment. Okay, I'm turning off the paella batter as we speak. I'm gonna give it the last shake and then I'm gonna bring it to a counter. There we go. Okay guys, here we have the Serrano ham and foie paella. I'm gonna serve it to our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, it's time to serve our Serrano ham and foie paella. Here we go. Foie, mushroom, serrano ham, spices. There you go. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the Serrano ham and foie paella. Don't forget, you can visit us at iwantpaella.eu.